bonjour, bienvenue dans le channel. Moi, non pas moi, c'est Wendy. Je dis à moi, j'ai deux belles demoiselles ensemble avec moi. Deux belles haïtiennes. C'est à droite, moi, j'ai
KJ.
Et à gauche, moi, j'ai
Elizabeth.
So, aujourd'hui, nous allons partager un topic qui est vraiment important dans la société haïtienne. So, aujourd'hui, si vous voulez j'ai plus d'informations, vous voulez manger haïtien, vous voulez manger haïtien, vous voulez topic, vous voulez l'autre activité, s'il vous plaît, rendez-nous un service, like and share vidéo, partagez avec tous les amis et puis vous avez un petit surprise.
Abonnez sur channel là.
Abonnez sur channel là et vous avez un petit surprise sur channel ça. So, nous pas perdre un peu de temps, on a commencé avec le topic là. Restez branchés. Le topic nous aujourd'hui, c'est comment on va faire qu'on ait un monde à contrôler dans la relation. Est-ce que relation ça, est-ce que monde dans la contrôler, est-ce que ouais, ça c'est remis ou ça c'est pas remis? If someone is control you, did you call that love or is not? So on a commencé avec demoiselle ça qui sur votre droite. Gauche qui c'est Elizabeth qui parle ba nous. So première question qui ça. Someone is controlling you. So did you call that love or is not?
I feel like if that person is controlling you, it depends on what situation is it. Because like it has some people like they will control you because they love you, they want to protect you. But it has some of them they will only control you because they don't trust you. They don't know like if you will cheat on them or not.
Right.
But you say like if that person okay même bébé it's just like if someone is controlling because they want to protect you. So what kind of protection so we talking about?
Well, there is a thing called overprotective. L'homme trop protective. Dans un sens, ça veut dire like il contrôle tout ça à faire. Dans le lever le matin, depuis le matin, il vient à soir, il veut connaître qui activité la relou, besoin connaître qui ça va faire, you know, qui ça le téléphone.
That's a red flag.
Everything.
But est-ce que nous pensons, mesdames, est-ce que nous pensons contrôle, on est supposé contrôler whatever garçon soit fille dans la relation? So par contre, c'est mon ça t'a supposé gagner freedom ni, like liberté pour faire ça. Je ne dis aller tant qu'on coucher pendant ou avec mon nan kala ou coucher avec l'autre monde. Mais on va d'après c'est mon ça t'a supposé gagner freedom ni liberté pour faire ça vle non.
Definitely. Yeah, parce que mon nan t'a supposé gagner liberté pour faire qui n'importe ça vle. It doesn't matter what I'm marié avant ou not. Il y a liberté pour faire. On va supposer observer mon nan. C'est comme si on met c'est comme si on caméra on mettait sur mon nan, you know.
I don't need a second father. I already have a father. I just need that person to love me too. You've been through one of those relationships where that one person wasn't like, he always was controlling you, telling you like you can't be friends with that person. Like tell us about it. Like how was it?
Right. So it was a very difficult situation, I guess. Like cause if you've been friends like sous tes amis avec mon pour un bon petit temps ou tes amis avec amis pour un bon temps whatever et pour venir gagner moun ça qui vient entrer dans relation entre même avec amis and he's causing commotions and you know il veut craser ça c'est tout le temps a problem here un problème là so nécessairement besoin de des fois sometimes how can I say that?
You get discouraged like in a way.
Yeah, it's like you honestly don't know who to believe in a way, but at the same time you're kind of like, okay then, you guys are my friends, so why is this all going on? So in a way you kind of like in a situation where
you're like in the middle.
Right, and here's my guy, and here's my friend.
Which one should I choose?
Which one should I choose? You know, right? Still dans relation avec un monde, vous supposez open. No secrecy. I should be able to know your password. I should know your password. You're supposed to con password. You're supposed to con password. So that means there's no privacy, no secrecy because we're one, right? Nous c'est une. So no pas de secret, pas de privacy. So, but there's a limit to it though. If you trust me, like I said again, it's all about trust and loyalty. Like if you don't believe in my loyalty to you and like I feel like I'm not at peace. I'm not myself if I have to be like, oh, he thinks I'm cheating. If you think I'm cheating on you, super say my chisu benkat, then where's the love for real? Like you
There's no
really don't
healthy
trust me.
relationship.
Yeah, it's not a healthy relationship because if you in the back of your head every time someone calls me, you think it's someone else. If you, every time I'm texting someone or I'm in the web, you think I'm with someone else trying to cheat on you. Then what is this? I don't need to be with you because it's not gonna go far. Il va pas aller loin si vous toujours penser que m'a cheat sou.
Okay.
Period. But with the fun thing, I think if we're in a relationship, it should be open. I mean, it should be open. We both should be able to use each other's phone without having to be like, oh my god, like he's gonna find something out, or yeah.
What's your answer to that? Like, what do you think?
What do you think, for real?
On pense like sou nou relasyon nou tou le de ta supposé gen akse like sou telefon chak yon, but like cheke chak jour sa 24/24 li pa bon. Kompren? Li pa bon, paske si moun nan vle fon bagay, la still fe.
That's simple.
Paske an valan ke nan kalan, la gen nan delete li. La gen delete li, efase sa pa vlo we. But seman ben jan tankou papa maman gen telefon pa am la, telefon mam la, yon sefi telefon
Right. That's how it should
I mean, if my dad have something in his phone, I don't know if my mom will know exactly, but I mean, they don't have that.
Right.
Controlling is not good. Controlling a relationship is not love. Like, pa yon lan moun an sa. Ok, ki sin nou relasyon tan pou medam yo ti jen yo kap vini ki gen pou reme, ki sin ki ka montre ke moun nan gen sin kontrol li vle kontrole la vou, ki premier sin an moun ka we.
Oh, like he's telling you what kind of dress to wear.
Oh yeah.
You can't do your makeup like that. You can't fix your hair
like that.
Oh, okay.
What
Yeah,
else?
that is true. That is
There's
a big
a lot
move.
of stuff.
You know, they will kind of. Sometimes they just delay low key. No, so c'est comme si, oh babe, but you're my girlfriend. I just like we just find religion or whatever. Oh,
I mean, it's good.
I don't
to
want
be
other
honest,
people
you
to
know.
look at you like that. I mean, yes, it's fine, but to a certain limit, cause they just you have to just do it tout le temps in a way, and they'll just take your freedom away from you in a way, like your freedom from wanting to dress the way you like to dress or wanting to wear something that you wanna wear.
But okay, est-ce que vous pensez c'est tout garçon qui fait parce que est-ce que garçon tant que li sont chrétiens ou soit pas chrétiens, so vous pensez c'est son mélodier. I mean because like dans chrétien dans culture like haïtienne et garçon qui chrétien toujours dire comme ça, oh chrétien pas supposé habiller en certain way. But si chrétien depuis mari me dit ou pas supposé habiller comme ça, mais so pensez moun ça.
He's being judgmental right now. No.
But not people come back to something out of the topic, but not people just we're supposed to be modesty.
We're not even talking about modesty right now. Nous va parler de ça, nous va parler de blanc. We're talking about guys controlling how you dress. Sometimes it doesn't matter. You might wear a pants.
Okay, if she's dressing like a stripper, nipples out, booty ass, your crackers
Yeah, that's different because at the end of the day, a guy, you know, like what's mine is mine. I don't want everybody to be seeing all the goodies that you have. But what I'm trying to say, there are ways like you might wear a top like that, and they're gonna be like, oh, I don't like the type that
if
you're
it's
wearing.
see-through, okay, you
Oh, you know.
good to judge.
Okay, so qui le sin encore ou ka ouais que moun nan ka montre que li contrôle, li ka
Like your
contrôle.
phone. If they want to know what's going on in your phone 24/7, like they own it, I mean, that's a whole different story. That's too controlling. You need your own privacy, honey.
So
it doesn't matter whether that guy paid the phone for you or not. I mean, I understand. No, it is true. Yes, listen, you guys. Whether he pays the phone or not, your name is on it, right? It's your phone. So, ou gen priorité sur téléphone, ça pas vrai? Yes, I mean, they can get password now or whatever, they can come up with that, but once you come home, that's the phone. They want to know what did you do, who called you, who you be texting. Like, come on. At the end of the day, if I'm loyal to you, you gotta trust me. I mean, if there's no loyalty or trust, why in the first place are we in this relationship? Porque sa nou nan relasyon sa. Premièrement, si nou ba gen
What is it like?
loyauté. Yeah.
Yes. Mosa. Oui, mosa. So pa Fidèle. Ça c'est moi, fidèle.
Right again.
No, do not delete that part. No, don't do it. I'm swear.
Fidèle. Ça c'est moi, ça t'a cherché.
Pour qui ça on a relation, premièrement, si pas de fidélité, you know, si pas de trust entre nous deux. Pour qui ça n'a pas, vous comprenez? Yeah.
So vous pensez les moun contrôler c'est parce que c'est gens parents téléville là. Donc c'est parce que donc qu'on a des parents yo toujours à battre, toujours à contrôler, c'est comme si son bagage qui fait est-ce que c'est gens parents téléville qui fait yo penser yo bonne même attitude dans relation.
I feel like that habit that you get from your parent or not, I don't care like where you get it from, but you're not supposed to bring that into your relationship. You're supposed to know how to talk to your wife, your whatever, your partner. Mm-hmm. You're not supposed to be controlling like that. By being controlling, that could like damage your relationship with that person, you know? Mm-hmm. You're supposed to know how to ask, hey, like, do you have other people like you texting? But don't be too controlling, like how you grabbing that person's phone in their hand. Like if you have their password already, just, you know, like just check. Like you don't have to be like...
But bagay check ça pas problème. Parce que pas supposé aller dans téléphone moun nan. Depuis aller dans téléphone moun nan ou on bagay wap still continue aller.